So, Dogface is a big bully, huh?
Oh?
Don't you know it's wrong to deface public property? And don't you know it's not nice to make unflattering pictures of me? Yes, you! I'll show you who's a dog face. Oh, where did they go? Hold it! Hold it! Well, if it isn't Tom and Jerry. Oh, good. I'll use the old dog-faced trampoline jump.
And the countdown to send the first unmanned rocket to the planet Dogstar has begun. In a few seconds, this giant rocket will hurtle into space and start its long journey.
Huh?
Blast off! And it's a perfect launch!
Poor Tom and Jerry. Blasted off into space.
We'll now switch to the remote camera and check the interior of our unmanned craft that's manned by a couple of stowaways. Good luck, fellas. You'll need it. You're headed for the mysterious planet Dogstar.
Look! Alien!
Could that be a cat and mouse?
Maybe. Let's capture him and see what the Great One has to say.
That was easy.
Yeah! I wonder why the Great One says that cats and mice are dangerous.
There has not been a cat or a mouse on this planet for centuries. Eject them into outer space.
But Great One, they seem harmless.
They're not dangerous.
Everyone on this planet will think what I want them to. Remember what I said. Cats and mice are enemies.
Cats and mice are enemies.
Good. Now seize them.
Seize them.
Attention all citizens of the planet Dogstar. The enemy has escaped. Everyone after them.
Cats and mice are enemies. Cats and mice are enemies. Seize them. Seize them.
I got him! Cats and mice are enemies!
I got him. Cats and mice are enemies. There we go. After them. Cats and mice are enemies. The aliens have escaped into Sector B, Great One.
Attention all citizens. Be on the lookout for a cat and mouse. They are your enemies.
I'm looking.
I found them, Great One. The enemy are headed for the Forbidden Zone.
Attention, Forbidden Zone Guard. The aliens must not enter.
Let's stop our enemies, oh Great One. Hey, Great One! They jumped into the Forbidden Zone.
Then I must stop them.
Before they learn the secret of the planet of the dogs. Too late. They've learned the secret. Yes, it's true. Centuries ago, this was the planet of cats and mice, and us dogs were treated like inferior pets. They left for the planet Earth, so we took over. But now, if you expect to return, forget it, because I made everyone think you are enemies with my computerized thought control center. Yes, the Great One is not just a statue, but a computer. Guard, seize them. You two will be sent into orbit in outer space. Stop, aliens! You can't escape! You can't outrun my jet-powered throne! You'll never find your way out of the forest! I'll track you down like a dog! Cat and mouse! Impossible! They're gone! Disappeared! I must return to the computer thought control and alert everyone to look for them! Now to activate my thought control center before my subjects start thinking for themselves.
Attention, all dogs. This is the Great One. And here's your thought for the day. You must love all cats and mice. Repeat, you must love all cats and mice. They are your friends. Hey, what am I saying? No, don't touch that self-destruct button!
Oh, no! Now everyone will love cats and mice, and everyone will think for themselves.
We have just picked up the rocket leaving the planet Dogstar. Our two stowaway space travelers are aboard, and what a story they'll have to give us! It's a perfect landing! Tell us, Tom and Jerry, was there any sign of life on the planet Dogstar?
Ooh, look who's back.
Wait, come back! Don't go in there! That rocket is going to the moon! Can you believe it? They're off again! We'll never know about the mysterious planet Dogstar until Tom and Jerry get back from the moon. But we'll all be waiting for our brave cat and mouse astronauts.
Yeah, especially me.